Welcome back to my channel, your girl Tynafey. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Belgium. If you're new here, thank you guys for stopping by. So today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys in depth of my filming space, how I set up for YouTube, how I get this kind of nice background, how my video is always clear. Yes, I'm going to give you guys all the gist that you need to know. So if you like this kind of video, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like this video, share this video with somebody that needs it, and let's just get right into this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share this video to your friends and family if you feel this video will be helpful to. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about is going to be my camera. So that is what I'm using to film at the moment. So if you remember, a few months ago I decided to spend a little bit of money and just spoil myself by buying a new camera because I really needed it. If you know me for a long period of time, I've been using my own phone. I've been using this phone. This is my Samsung S8. I've been using it for a long period of time. I still love the phone. I've been using it to film all my videos, but I decided to just spend a little bit of money on a good camera. So I got this camera a few months ago. I think should be like 7 months thereabout. That is the camera I'm using to film. Is this Canon EOS M50, and this camera is pretty much compact. It has everything I need. It's just a little bit too heavy to vlog with, but the camera is a flip screen, and basically you just have to work your way around the setting because it took me most of my videos. Sometimes today, you know, one thing about making videos, you learn something today, tomorrow you're learning something new. So that is what is happening to me. Today I may learn something new today, and tomorrow I feel myself that, oh, it's not good enough, I want to learn something else. And I've been working on this camera for a long time. Sometimes when I make a video, I just ask myself, it's not good enough, I'm going to delete this video because it's not good enough. But today I just decided to share with you guys my setup, everything about this camera. This camera is amazing, guys. It's amazing. I'm not doing advert for Canon, but I would love to do advert for Canon. This camera is amazing. This is the Canon EOS M50. It's gorgeous, it's compact, it's beautiful, it's flip screen. I can see myself while I'm making a video, which is amazing. I don't need to start getting a software or Canon utilities. I can also do that, but it's just been too complicated for me to get it on my laptop, so which is very easy. I can just sit down and look at myself while I'm filming if it's good enough. That is why I decided to spend a little bit of money to invest on such camera, which is flip screen, and it's just been amazing since then. So now that we have our camera out of the way, I'm going to be talking about the lenses that I'm using on this camera. So presently I'm using the 50mm lens. I also have this lens which came with the camera, is the 15,45mm image stabilizer lens, and this is actually amazing, but it does not give me the in-depth of blurry background that I've wanted for a long period of time. So that is why I decided to get another lens, which is this one I'm using to talk to you guys. This lens is actually amazing when it comes to doing beauty videos because it's if I go up close to the camera like this, you can see more depth of how blurry my background is. Let me go close by. Okay, so this is how close I am to the camera. Although yes, it's a bit far, my hand cannot touch the camera. It cannot zoom in or out. So this is what we have. You can see how blurry my background is. It's really nice, guys. Really, I'm amazed about this lens. It's amazing, guys. Super though. It's gorgeous, it's amazing. So I'm gonna go back a little bit because I want you guys to see my face. I've been thinking about getting another lens, maybe the 35mm lens, but I don't know if I really want it, or I should just stick with this 15.45 mm lens. But yeah, we'll see at the end of the day if I'm gonna get it or not. But definitely I still love this lens. It's the 50 mm lens. It's amazing. It's just make my background look very nice, posh, blurry, you know what I mean. So I really like this lens. So this is all about my lens that I have. Just have two lenses, the 45 mm lens and the 50 mm lens. I love it a lot. It's just, you know, it makes my life more beautiful, if I must say. So we are going to talk about my lighting. What I have for my lighting is I actually have one softbox and a ring light. It's not facing me directly, it's just I decided to put it apart because I really do not like too much light on my face. So one light is here and the other light is here. I'm going to show you guys. And I also have one softbox right here behind me, so it just makes my background more bright. Yeah, it just gives my background up. If I turn off the background, let me show you guys how it looks without no light. So this is what we have. It's also nice. I can still work with this, but I just prefer it to be more bright, you know. So this is what we have, and it's bright, it's nice. I also have one more light here. This is the light I also have at the back of where I sit. It just gives my background a little bit of, you know, pop, you know what I mean. So yes, that stays there. So that's all for my lighting. And I also have a reflector in front of me, and then I have this mirror. It has light all over. This light is not coming on. I think the battery is dead. So I have this mirror. It has like lights here all round. So whenever I'm doing a makeup video, I can see how cute my light is, how cute and poppy. You know what I mean. These are all the lighting that I actually have in my room. And yeah, I also have the Christmas lighting at the back of where I have my background. Just a little bit of, you know, a little bit of depth in my videos, just to give the video a little bit of pop. And I also have a reflector that I can see how just to pop up my skin, how my face, you know, just give it a glow. That is all about my lighting. The battery that came with the camera is not so strong the way I wanted it, so I decided to buy 2 extra batteries, and it came with a charger. I'm going to show you guys how the battery looks. So the battery that I bought extra was this battery right here. So basically this battery, it came in 2, so I'm using the second one to film this video. And this is the Canon battery that came with the camera. At least my camera can stay for a long period of time without dying, which is amazing. So I decided to just, you know, just spend, it was not expensive, just spend at least extra money on Amazon to buy these batteries, which are actually amazing. I love it. Love it. It's very life-saving. So the next item that I'm going to talk about is this PHOLSY remote. Normally Canon has their own remotes, but this is like a dupe kind of remote, which is cheap. I think I bought this for 8 or 10 euros thereabouts. It's amazing. I don't need to start going back and forth to tap on my screen to record any video. I can use this while I'm sitting down here, and I don't need to use my laptop control my camera. I can use this while I sit down here. I've been using this to take all my pictures on my camera. If I want to take any Instagram pictures, I use this. It's amazing, guys. This is a lifesaver for me. If you are using, you can check online what kind of remote control goes with your camera, because this PHOLSY, let me show you how it is. I'm gonna do that. So this PHOLSY remote control, I can control my camera while I'm sitting down here, and I can just do stop and on from where I'm sitting, which is amazing. It can do it. It also comes with autofocus. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is Boya Lavalier mic. I bought this mic, I think I bought it about 19 euros thereabouts. Let me just do a quick video of how the mic sounds like without the mic. So this is how my voice sounds like without the mic. And this is how my voice sounds like while I'm using the mic. Mic does a lot of things on camera, especially camera. And this mic you can use both on camera and smartphone. I don't have any complaints since I bought it. I really like it. The next thing I'm going to talk about is memory card. I have like 5 or 6 memory cards. Most of them, they are memory card for, normally I use them for my phone. That is this one, this little. So what I do, I just put it on a card reader and then I can insert it on my camera, which is amazing, guys. I didn't know I can do that until when I just told myself, let me just give it a try if it actually works. And if it works, I'm going to start using it. Yeah, you can use both on your phone and also on your laptop or your camera, which is amazing. So basically this is how my setup looks from here, and here is just my table that I use and my setup. So guys, this is the ring light I use. It's from Newware. I also have this soft box right here. I don't really know the name of it. I think I also have the second soft box right there. And for my background, this is basically my background that you see. I have a little bit of decoration here. I have this kind of I have plants. I have a little bit of decorations with candle that I do not turn on. I have a plant right here. I have this light. These are the lights that you see on my background. Is a Christmas light, and it's just amazing. I just use a tape to tape it just to keep it in place. I have this plant, this lovely plant right here. It's from IKEA, and it's just so amazing. This plant is life. I also have another plant right here, and I also have another plant right here. And this, I got it from, I don't know, remember the store I got is where I have my name on it. And basically this is my filming setup. This is what you do not see. The softbox that I have is from xoxo. Yeah, so basically, as you can see, this is where I have my illuminator is here. I have my mirror here. This is my lens. This is a 50mm lens. I also have an adapter so that I can mount it on my camera. These are my batteries and my memory card. And this is the remote here. And this is my camera that I am using right now to film. Is this camera right here. So that's where I put my camera right there. And I have this big light. I have this window light from outside. It's very bright, which is amazing. So basically this is my setup. So my setup is very basic. It's not complicated. It's very easy. I can also use this wall as a setting. Maybe I will do a video of me using just this wall to make a video, which is actually nice. I never thought about it. I may do a video of in-depth of my filming room / hobby room. If you want to see what I have in this room, keep on watching. Keep on watching. Maybe I will do this kind of video on my next YouTube video, maybe. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. I've given you guys in depth of what I have in my room, my setup and everything. Camera I use, my lenses, my lighting, my background, my mic, my battery, memory card, everything that I use to film. I've given you guys everything that you need to know about filming and things that I actually have, and I'm okay with it. I don't think I want to spend any other money in lighting or anything else. Maybe I will end up buying the lens that I told you guys about, maybe the 35mm lens. I don't know yet. Hopefully, let's see how it goes. I may end up buying it because I actually like the lens, and let's just see how it goes. And don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to somebody that needs to know how to set up he or her YouTube setup, if I will say. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be catching you guys on my next one. Bye. Adios. Bye.